To propagate Anthurium quickly, gently lift the flower stem. You'll see these health roots starting to form right at the base.
Look for tiny root bumps.
Cut below the node at a 45-degree angle. Execute one swift, smooth cut without crushing the stem tissue.
Inspect the node carefully. This node right here is where the magic happens, so we give it a slow rotation to see the full 360 view.
Just 3 weeks later, the time-lapse shows significant root development. We now gently lift the cutting to reveal.
Use a well-draining chunky mix and gently press it around the base of the new plant.
For proper aftercare, place your Anthurium cutting in bright, indirect light, and mist the leaves regularly to maintain high humidity.
As you can see, the propagation was a success. Be sure to follow for more plant hacks.